Hello and welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Now, when we think of breakfast, there are so many options that we have, and when it comes with egg especially, we try to do it different ways. So today I'm going to show you a very simple egg sandwich that you can have either for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First we are going to boil the eggs. The water has come to a boil. I'm going to reduce the flame to a low, add a pinch of salt, gently drop the eggs. So just slice the eggs. You can either slice it vertically or horizontally. So next I'm going to flavor the mayonnaise by adding some chopped scallions. These are the spring onion greens, a pinch of salt, some fresh grated pepper. So now I'm just going to mix it all in. Your mayonnaise is ready for the sandwich. Just taste it and see if your flavors are okay. So now I'm going to make the sandwich. Just take a little bit of the mayo, spread it on one side of the slice. Get a good sized tomato, slice it, place 2 slices of tomato. Next I'm going to keep the sliced egg. Just sprinkle a pinch of salt and some fresh ground pepper on the eggs. Just garnish it with some scallions. Put some mayonnaise on the other slice. Now your simple egg sandwich is ready. So there you go, enjoy this simple egg sandwich. You can even use it as a lunchbox recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.